You guys, I am so excited right now. This might sound silly if you're already an experienced trader, but I just figured out how to section off my personal trading hours on TradingView without having to do it manually. Hello friends, welcome to Crypto Trading. I'm Jess and this is Leopold. This is the channel where I backtest trading strategies on Bitcoin and crypto so you don't have to. In today's video, I wanted to continue tweaking with the 20 and 50 EMA crossover strategy. But first, y'all, I have found a way to section off my unique trading hours on TradingView without having to do it manually. And I am pretty stoked, so let me show you how to do that first, and then let's jump into the strategy. Of course, if you already know how to set your trading hours, you can go ahead and skip ahead. I have put timestamps below. So I found out about this method from Artie on his channel on YouTube called The Moving Average. Excellent channel, definitely recommend checking out. So this method is included in one of the indicators that he created called the TMA overlay by Artie FXC. And on this indicator, there is a trading session where you can choose your time zone. These are already set to whatever session you're trading, if you're trading New York session or London session. But I'm trading crypto, so I'm going to have my own unique hours. So I'm just going to click UTC, label it whatever I want to label it, and then I just adjust these numbers up and down in order to get my specific trading hours. So I went ahead and messed around and figured out that if I put a 12, and a 23, it'll give me an 11-hour trading window from 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. UTC time, and my UTC time I set over here is Los Angeles time. And you can also put the days of the week here too. So Monday through Friday or whatever days of the week you trade. All right, on to today's strategy. I will continue to be using the 20 and 50 exponential moving average crossovers. And then we're also going to throw on the commodity channel index indicator. And I'm using this because I saw this used in another channel called Trading with Cody, and he used it successfully, so we're going to throw it on Bitcoin and see what happens. I honestly have no idea what this indicator does or how it works, but we're just going to test it out. And we're also going to throw on the average true range in order to determine our stop loss and take profit levels. And now we're going to go ahead and set these to 20 and 50. And then these settings will stay the same. So here are Codys rules that he used on his channel when he tested this strategy, along with his results. I'm going to go ahead and test this on Bitcoin USD on the same 30-minute time frame, but I'm also going to throw in the 200 exponential moving average just for some added confluence. Here are my rules that I'm going to go by. To enter along, the 20 EMA must cross over and above the 50 EMA, and not only does the price, but also both the 20 and the 50 EMA must be above the 200 EMA line. Once those conditions are met, we will look at where the cross happened, look at the CCI, and see if it is in fact above this 100 line, and it is. So we can enter along, and to determine where the stop loss is, we'll look at the average true range right where the cross happened. So right there it says 231. Then we go over here, enter along right here, and put 231 as our stop loss number. And then we'll do a 1.5 risk to reward ratio. 1.5. And to enter a short, we look for the 20 to cross down and below the 50 EMA. We also need both EMAs to be below the 200 EMA, so we'll wait for that as well. And as soon as that 50 crosses below the 200, we look down here. We see if the CCI is below the negative 100, which it is. So this is safe to enter. And then to set the stop loss, we're going to look here at the ATR, and it says 172 here on the corner. We grab our short position and we'll put the stop loss to 172, which is pretty small. And the risk to reward ratio is 1.5. There are a lot of moving parts to this strategy. You can't actually trade with all these indicators at the same time with the free trading account. But you know your girl's a baller and makes tens of ones of dollars a year, so she can afford the basic upgraded account. Okay, I want to go ahead and show you all the completed trades that I did while I was at my other job. Just gonna scroll through here so you know I actually did all these trades. Holy, look at that candle. Ouch. Ouch, that one hurts. And here are my tabulated results. When I put valid or invalid, that just means during my trading windows and not during my trading hours. So I kind of separated them and then I added them all up at the end. Okay, and here are the results. I went ahead and counted every signal for every trade, even though I had marked up my trading hours. I just went ahead and counted every signal that I saw just for the purposes of this test. It took about 6 months to complete. I tested it 100 times with 52 wins and 48 losses with a 52% win rate. And I won 51.95% on my account and lost 29% off my account, which is about 22.48 gain on account. And the most losses in a row were 5. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please do me a huge favor and help me grow this channel by subscribing, and of course leave any comments on any future strategies you'd like me to test in the comments below.